Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create multiple angles of a character on OpenArt. So creating multiple angles of the same character in this platform is all about consistency plus controlled variation. So if you just type different prompts, the character will change, so you don't or you do need to guide the AI properly. So actually guys, you will need to go and sign in with your account and then go and click on character right here under the create tab or section. So here you will need to go and click on create character, and then you can go with describe your character or start from an image. So we're talking about this option. Okay, so right here, to generate your character, you will need to create a front-facing character and make sure you like the design, like the face, clothes, and colors. And also, you can use the image to image or reference image, so you can upload your character as a reference image from here, right? So, character, then starts from an image. Okay, and here you will need to upload your character as a reference image as told you in setup, or set image strength low, around 20 to 40%, and this keeps the character the same while allowing angle changes. And also guys, you can change the prompt for angles. So we're talking about the prompts. You can go with describe your character right here and use clear angles instructions like side view of the same character, back view, full body, and 3 per 4 angle view, cinematic lightning, top down perspective, etc. Okay, so for example, you can go with same character, side profile view, consistent outfit, detailed face, high quality. Okay, so you can describe just like that. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.